Join my friends and me for a bicycle ride around Brome Lake on this beautiful August day of 2019. Lake Brome is located about 100 kilometers southeast of Montreal in the Eastern Townships, which are located between the St. Lawrence River and the U.S. border. This map shows the route that we'll take to get to our lunch spot at the south end of the lake. We left our hotel in Granby and drove to the Cheminot Relay, an access point to the Estriade Trail. The 21-kilometer-long Estriade Trail was built on an abandoned rail bed and joins the towns of Granby to Waterloo. This is an area that is rich in bicycle trails, but today, since we're going to be cycling around Lake Brome, we're going to be riding mostly on country roads. Our intention is to break for lunch at the Knowlton Marina, located at the south end of the lake. Brome Lake lies at the heart of the 7 hamlets and villages that make up the town of Brome. It's surrounded by alpine ski resorts. There's Ski Bromont, 5 kilometers away to the northwest, Mount Orford, 10 kilometers to the northeast, there's Owl's Head, 15 kilometers to the southeast, and there's Mount Sutton, a few kilometers to the south. My group of cyclists calls itself the Zoomers. We're a disparate bunch of friends and acquaintances and friends of friends. We organize a ride like this once every summer. During meals and at the end of the day at happy hour, there's a lot of animated discussion, good-natured joking and banter. Lake Brome is surrounded by cottages, but its economy also depends on tourism, people like you and me. We decided to pull over here to let the traffic go by. In the summer, there's swimming and picnicking at Douglas Beach, just a stone's throw away from the town of Knowlton. In the winter, the lake is a favorite destination for hikers, skaters, cross-country skiers, and snowshoeing fans. As soon as the ice is solid enough, a large skating rink is cleared on the lake's surface. Every weekend from December to March, you can rent Scandinavian kick sleds, adults and children's snowshoes, and cross-country skis. On the beach, there's always a fire burning in the outdoor fireplace to keep visitors warm. And apparently there's lots of good fishing in this lake. We're passing by the Knowlton Golf Club, one of 2 golf clubs on the lake. We've arrived at the Knowlton Marina and we're stopping here for lunch. We're now heading back to the Cheminot Relay. I have to mention an important point. Brome Lake is renowned as the capital of duck farming. A company called Brome Lake Ducks has been specializing in the breeding of the Pekin duck. They market their products in all the major grocery chains in Quebec, including Costco, but they also operate a store in Knowlton called Boutique Lake Brome, where it sells 25 different duck products. We're nearing the end of our ride and I'm thinking how nice it is to be riding an electric bike. Even though I'm the oldest of the group, I never had trouble keeping up with the others. The secret of keeping fit in old age is to have friends who are younger than you. There are several nice dairy farms in this area. What would happen to them if everybody became vegetarian? And now we're back to our starting point, and we'll be heading back to our hotel in Granby for a welcome happy hour beer. If you'd like to see more bicycle travel videos, information on electric bikes and bicycle campers and trailers, visit my website www.robertberrio.com. And on my website you can find out about my books on sailing. If you want to be notified of my future videos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you for watching and never quit cycling.